Hello champions, welcome back to the Coding Boom. In the previous video we learned about what is website and how it works and what is front end and back end. If you don't watch that, please click this link and watch that video and please come back. So today in this video we're gonna learn about some languages are used to make front end and back end, and also we will learn what is the specific purpose of each language. Without getting any late, let's get started. We can make a website by using these three languages. Those are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Every web page on the internet uses the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. With these three languages we can make a website. And also they are so easy. So what is HTML? The HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The hypertext means hyperlinks that are clickable in the website. If you click that link, it will route to another page. So those are called as links. That means hypertext. Markup language means the whole website is made with of HTML. Those are basic HTML elements like buttons, texts and input elements. So many things you can see in the website. Finally, what is HTML means? It makes the website basic structure. It will put the basic elements in the website like images, videos, texts and so many things. What is the use of CSS here? The CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. This is used for styling the web page, like arranging items at a particular place where we want and coloring the items, animation, so many things to make our website beautiful. We use CSS. The JS means JavaScript. What is the use of this? The JavaScript is a programming language for the web. It is used for calculations and some manipulations in the websites to make our website more interactive. And please note this, JavaScript is not related to Java in any way. Name is just coincidence only, okay? I explained what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I think you confused. Okay, don't worry, I have an example. This channel is made to reach our content to the users. Let us go to the example. Let us assume you are making a building. So to make a building, what you do first? You make pillars, walls, stairs and so many things made with sand, cement, water. The basic structure of the building you made with the sand, cement and water. So how it looks? You made a building, but this is not beautiful, this is not comfortable to you. If you don't paint, if you don't arrange the items in a particular places, so that is not comfortable. As well as the website made with HTML will looks like this. What you do next? You paint the home, you arrange the items at a particular place in your room to look beautiful to you. You made this home with colorings and arrangements and all the things. As well as if we add CSS to the HTML, the website looks beautiful like this home. What is the purpose of JS means? If you want to turn on your fan, what do? You just turn on the switch and it will close or it will rotate the fan. If you press the switch, the electricity passes to the light and light will close. You are not passing the electricity with your hands. You just pressing the switch and the electricity automatically goes to the light will close. So you are doing one thing here. Something is happening inside your walls. So that is the purpose of JS in coming to the websites. I hope you understand, but I know you have a little bit confusion. Okay, I will clear that. Don't worry. I made a website for your better understanding purpose. So let's have a look at this. This is a website I made, Coding Boom, and login form here. And here you can see Coding Boom with background yellow color. This is the small website I made with CSS, HTML and JavaScript. Look at this. If this website is made with only HTML, what it look like? Let us see that. I just changed some code. Okay, here we go. Coding Boom, welcome champions. So here you can see this is the website made with only using HTML. You can see here login form and JavaScript test. You can see heading, Coding Boom. This is the basic structure of the web page made with only HTML. If you made the website by using only HTML, that may looks like this. I hope you understand what is the purpose of HTML in this website. HTML means the basic structure, the skeleton of the web page. Let's see if I add CSS to this website. Here we go. The Coding Boom font style is changed and the font size also increased. I increased the size. Background color is blue and here you can see Coding Boom, the background yellow color, and here we can see our login form by using JavaScript. This is the use of CSS in the website. The use of CSS is to make our website beautiful and comfortable to the user. What is the purpose of JavaScript in this website? The purpose of JavaScript in this website is I made this to understand JavaScript. Here we see username, password, confirm password. I don't enter anything here. I just click submit. Let's see what happens. Here, please enter username. So this is the purpose of JavaScript. If you do anything with this website, some calculations, some manipulations will be happens according to the condition. I don't enter anything here, so it will ask me to enter username. I enter username. I click submit. Please enter password. One by one it is calculating if the password and confirm password is empty. There is nothing. So ask the user to get confirm password and to get password. Okay. I enter username and confirm password 1 2 3 4 5 password and confirm the 1 2 3 4 5 6. I enter 1 2 3 4 5 here and I change 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. So let's see what happens. Let's click submit. Password didn't match. Please try again. So some manipulations is happened in this website. I enter 1 2 3 4 5. Confirm password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Two passwords are didn't match. It will alert you password mismatch. Please try again. So this is the use of JavaScript in this website. Okay. If I enter same password here, let's click 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Submit here. Here we go. Welcome to Coding Boom. So this is the use of JavaScript. I hope you guys understand what is the use of HTML, CSS and JavaScript in these websites. What languages are used to make backend? The basic languages are used to make backend are Python, Java, PHP, Ruby, .NET, Node.js. These are the basic languages to make backend programming. And the good thing is we can make backend program by using only JavaScript. This is cool. But the most popular programming language for the backend development is PHP. By using these languages, what we can do in the websites, let us see. If you enter the username and password, if you press submit, it will check the database for the entered username and password is correct or not. The database stores the data in the table format like this you are seeing in the screen. If the username and password are matches, it will give you permission to move forward in the web. Otherwise, it will raise an error like incorrect username and password. For example, assume you are at the ATM. After you swipe the card, it will ask you to enter the password. You enter the password, you click next, and then it will check the password in its database if the password is correct or not. If the password is correct, it will display another web. If the password is not correct, it will errors like the password is incorrect, please try again or like that. So for this type of manipulations and calculations, we write the program for backend by using these languages. Hope you guys all understand the topics in this video. In the next video, we will talk about what is the best softwares to make front end and back end. I have downloaded so many softwares in my laptop. I checked those softwares and I found a best software to write these codes. I know most of the peoples don't have laptops or computers. They have mobiles. But don't worry, we have the option to make website in mobile also. So I will prefer you the best app to make websites in your mobile also. Still, if you have any doubts according to this video, please comment down below, or if you want to give any suggestions to me, please comment down below. I will take all your feedbacks and improve my videos. Please stay tuned, wait for the next video and share these videos to all your friends. Make a big Coding Boom team. Thank you all. Peace.